Welcome to this assembly and operating guide for your BGN Decorative Wind Tower Professional. Inside the package, you'll find the wind tower body, 3 separate fan blades, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a product information sheet. Attach the 3 fan blades to the rotor hub one at a time. Each fan blade has 3 angle settings. Gently adjust all 3 fan blades to setting 2. This position is recommended for optimal airflow and smooth rotation. Assembly is now complete. Next, let's go over how to operate your decorative wind tower. To begin, touch and hold the button for about 3 seconds to unlock the device. Once unlocked, the fan control will activate at speed 1. While the fan is running, touch and hold the button for another 3 seconds to switch to the light control. Then tap the button to select your preferred brightness level. If you only want the light, select your preferred brightness level first. Then switch back to the fan control and tap until the fan stops completely. When both the fan and the light are off, the device will lock automatically. Thank you for choosing BGN.